Hello everyone, today I am going to teach you how to service your AC in less than 5 minutes. Basically, servicing an AC means removing the dust from the filters and cleaning the body of the AC. Now, you will see on the sides there are grooves. Locate them. In every model, there will be different, position of the grooves. And then just push the plastic cover towards the inside so that it clicks open. And here I have removed the grooves from the sides and from the bottom. And obviously in COVID times we are all wary of calling servicemen to do the service of the AC. And of course, if the compressor and the gas is leaking, then you might not be able to repair it without a repairman. So here I have removed the filter by sliding it down. I'm going to remove both the filters and then clean them with soap and toothbrush. And you have to do it gently and with a lot of water pressure. So I cleaned it with soap. You can just clean it with simple water also, and that's the body. You can clean it with the vacuum cleaner or a toothbrush or a wet cloth. And just be careful that you don't apply a lot of pressure on the plastic body or on the cooling wires. So these are three screws which are there. I wanted to open it up properly and remove the whole plastic cover, but because these are COVID times and I want you to be able to service your office AC or your home AC without much hullabaloo, so no need to unscrew the screws. So here I'm using a very soft brush which is like a makeup brush. You can also use toothbrush, but make sure that you don't apply a lot of pressure and use it in just one direction, vertical direction, because if you are going to use it in a haphazard direction, then there is a very high chance of you know destroying the AC delicate cooling wires that are there, which are responsible for cooling the AC. And avoid the electrical circuit on the extreme right, as you can see in this model. And then after just cleaning it with water and the brush, I'm also going to show the how dirty it was. So now I'm going to clean up with the vacuum cleaner so that it's air dried properly and all the dust is removed from the innermost corners. And that's all the dust that has come out. And I've also tried different nozzles. This is also a good nozzle, but I think just be very very soft while vacuum cleaning, because the vacuum cleaner nozzles are much harder than a toothbrush bristles. So do it gently and softly so that be mindful of the AC circuit that is there. Don't let any water go over there, and be careful of that and avoid the electrical circuit. I did not unscrew the electrical circuit. So it really is quite simple and it's not going to take you much time. Now that I've cleaned the filters, I'm going to just put it all back together. And because I'm doing it with one hand operation, so this video is slightly longer and it's hard to record from one hand and do it, put the filter back with just one hand, right hand. But I think I've done a pretty good job at it. So now I'm sliding back the filters and just pull it up. It's actually quite easy. Just check the grooves and just slide it over. And then we are going to cover it properly with the plastic body and screw the screws that we had. See, there is an option of press. When you press it, you can click open the filters and you can remove the filters. That's very easy. You don't really have to unscrew the plastic body, because then it will become a longer process, and that's basically to remove the entire plastic body. Now I'm just putting the cover back on. Just check the grooves. It's very easy to place the plastic body and just fit it properly and put a little pressure and it's done.